Once again, I am DJ Supernuts on your 617.3 FM dial. We had a special request from a caller today. She said, Supernuts? I said, yes. She said, I want to hear some of that smooth shit you be kicking in the booth. I said, well, all right, baby, I got you. Because that's what I'm here for you. So I want all you callers to grab someone close to you that you really, really digging. And then I want you to pick up the phone and I want you to call me and say, you know what, Supernuts? I got a special request for you. And I'll do what it is that I do to grant your wish. Cause I'm here for you. DJ Supernuts on your 617.3 FM dial. Your Big Town Fire Radio, baby. Now come on.